Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Palha Street. Palha is straw, the Portuguese word for straw, so you can kind of hear some history involved with that. So we're going to be walking down this way towards Palha, and I think we go all the way to St. Paul Street. And we're going to be starting over on this area, which is where São Domingos is at. So we're going to get started in a moment. But yeah, we're going to be showing you Palha Street today. So there's Palha, São Domingos, St. Dominic's Street right there. Look at that beautiful view, and then Palha Street, which is like Straw Street. And we're gonna go down Palha Street in a moment, but I just want to give you some full context of things. This basically goes up to the Portuguese bookstore, the Portuguese consulate. That goes to Sé Cathedral, Sé Church. There's a bunch of Sé things up there. SE, this is E. But Palha Street is going to be this one. And it does go up to São Paulo ruins, but we're not going to take it all the way up. Yeah, battery died, so we're going to go back a little bit. But that's Palha Street that we're going to go up. Nice space. This is popular with tourists. It's like beef jerky. Some little alleys down here too. That particular alley has some nice dumplings. Lots of people everywhere today. Okay. So this is Palha Street, Straw Street. Lots of people everywhere. So let me flip this camera around in a minute. There we go. Okay, so we're going to keep on going up. There's a little plaza in this space too. Our street goes that direction, but I'm just going to go up this street right here. Around this plaza, I mean. I haven't seen a durian egg tart. I've seen bacaya egg tart. Different things. But durian is kind of new. You can smell the beef intestines. Beef au pau is really popular here. Durian garden, so I guess that's a whole durian shop there. Okay. So I'm going to keep on walking down. that's really popular, this lemon cello. Okay. Just kind of show you this. We're gonna kind of walk back slightly. We're gonna go this way. I just kind of want to share with you real quick. There's also these little patios everywhere, and if you come into them, there'll be artwork sometimes. They'll be really quiet. Sometimes there's businesses back in here. So this one has some artwork like that. Macau. And if you go all the way down, there'll be a shrine and some small businesses as well. So let me just kind of come back a little bit more. But yeah, you can see a shrine. You can even sit in here. Yeah, you might not know that there's stuff in these little spaces, but it's dark. But I thought I'd kind of show you the contrast as well. I have filmed in here other times as a street in itself, so this is going to be part of the Palha street. But if you want to see that in the daytime, it's called Palha de Batega. Okay. See here. A lot of people even on a Thursday night. Okay. So this actually goes all the way to St. Paul's ruins, Sao Paulo ruins. You might be able to see it slightly up that alley, and then that actually ends it for Palha Street. It's gonna come up here real quick. So you can see the crowds. There's also some kind of cool stuff. These streets goes down to Rua de Esteligins, down to Pont 16, which is the waterfront. Little shrine. Okay. So on that note, we're going to end it. So this is Palha Street, a little slice of Macau for you. Lots of shops, even tourist shops in here. You can buy some t-shirts, like right over here. More alleys. And on that note, we're going to be ending our video. But now you have an idea of Macau at nighttime as well. And at nighttime it's nice with all the neon lights everywhere, as you can imagine. And this street is so small, but so much, that we're just going to come right back to the start of it again. Then we'll end our video. Okay. Now we're right back here again. São Domingos. That's Palha. the end of our video right there.